create a lush food forest right in your backyard. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So today I am getting a few things in my garden. It is so fulfilling and so rewarding. To God be the glory. Alright, so I'm getting this one as well. Looks so nice. Alright, so I'm also getting this eggplant right here. This is a black beauty. So let me cut it right here. Oh, very nice. Alright. So I have this as a cucumber right here. It was pollinated properly, but I'm still grateful. I am getting it nevertheless. See? Alright, so I'm getting one of these white eggplants as well. Alright. Nice. My basket colorful already. Alright, so yeah. That's it I'm getting from here. Alright, so I'm actually going to get one of my corns right here. I decided to get the top one. I see ants on there. You know what the ants did me, right? Before. So I'm actually going to see if this one form. The ears are not completely dried, but most of it is dried. Alright, so I'm just going to get it. It's the biggest one in case the others are not forming properly or something. I am so curious and I want to get it, especially because I see the ants. I want to see what's going on with them, and I do believe if I get this one, then the others will have a better chance as well. So let me rest this down right here and get it. Ants. I'm going to have to get some more diatomaceous earth on this corn. For those who are just joining and don't know, this one plant has 4 corns on there. 1, 2, 3, and this one 4.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
And this is sweet corn. So let's open it together and see what's happening. Not bad at all. I just see where it could stay a little longer. It's not so yellow. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm just thinking that, girl, you could have waited a little longer. So this variety is the... Alright guys, so we're going to get maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 of these cayenne peppers right here. Look at these purple bell pepper. And there are some other blooms on there. Some of them yellowing out. But that's fine. I'm getting so much off of it. Alright, so let's get these 2 cayenne peppers.
I have some okras right here. I am going to get a few.
Alright, so let me rest my basket right here. I am going to get 1, 2. Boy, the ants are everywhere. But I'm not letting them stop me, you know. Not at all. Alright, so I have a one onion right here. You can see the head falling over there, or the neck. So I'm getting this. Let me sit off this right here. It is not big, but I am forever grateful. Let me rest it right here. Man, oh Lord, God, you're good to me. Guys, you don't even know the feeling right now. Well, I know you know. I know you know. I know you can imagine. Yeah. Let me set this aside right here because I am getting these two June plums. Guys, this June plum tree, the next time I do a tour, I imagine how many is going to be on there. Alright, so let me rest these right here. Alright, so I have a one bell pepper right here. This is a yellow one. You can see where it started to ripen. So I'm getting it. I have some scotches over here. Nice. The plant not look. See another one right here that starts to blush. I am getting it as well so I can free up the plant to produce me much more. Are you loving it, guys? The only thing, I could have let this corn stay a little more. But yeah, I kind of had an idea because the ears weren't completely dried. But I've seen where the ears haven't been completely dried, but the corn was fully mature. That's not the case with that one at all. Alright, so I have a few, just two pear tomatoes right here. The one little one right here. And see another little one right here. The plant seems like it's trickling down, man. These are so tiny. Alright. What else I need to get? There are other things, but I don't think I am getting anything else right now, this point. Like I'm not getting any greens, and so this morning, look at this bell pepper, guys. Looks so good. I just love looking at my 10 o'clock flowers right here on a daily. So amazing, so beautiful. Alright, so we just have some mulberries to get, and then yeah, we'll wrap things up. Mighty God, look at you. Oh Lord. Guys, I feel so blessed. 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 I can't stress it enough. Anyways, let's get these mulberries. Guys, I noticed that the first set that I harvested, after that the ones that ripen, my, they are huge. Look at these. And there are so many more to get on here. Let me rest these down and get a better angle to get them. Guys, I just wish I could really explain to you how I'm feeling. I'm not going to get emotional at all. I'm trying not to, but I feel really, really good. We ball pound in, guys. But I'm not balling. And even if I ball, it is happy ball. Jesus, man. Ants them terrible. Terrible. One right here. One right here. One right here. So much I was missing. I was missing a lot. Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna rest them down. Alright, let me come around here. At these. Guys, you know the song? I feel good. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I don't know why I should. How it go? Uh-oh. One fell from me and then I realized that another one fell before. I didn't saw that one, you know. Alright. Oh, before you know it, I am going to strip these babies down again. And before you know it, I'm going to fill with mulberries again. Nice. Still have a lot more. Well, not a lot, but I mean, I am so happy, guys. So you have to bear with me. I may not be expressing it as much as I really am, but I truly am. Alright, so this looks like actually the last crop because after getting all of these, I realized I only see one red one leaving back right now. So I may strip this baby later on today or in the morning. The ants, I'm telling you. Well, I think I'm done with the top, but I have some at the bottom of the plant. So let's get those. I was missing this one right here. A basket leaning over. Mercy flat on the ground. I'm gonna put them right here. Yeah. Later on today or in the morning, yeah, I'm going to take off all the leaves. I'm not going to cut any of the branches, only at the top, right? But as for these, I'm just taking off the leaves and leaving the branches so I can get much more. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.